Good morning. Welcome back for another week of online instruction. Mr. Will here, video lesson for Monday, May 18th, 2020 for the group Feed Me Pie and Divide and Conquer. A couple of announcements before we get into it. This Friday, there will not be any video lessons and there will not be a daily assignment, as well as next Monday, a week from today, because of Memorial Day. So you have a 3-day math week. Don't forget to tune in on Wednesday for specials classes and also PEP. But there will be no lesson this Friday. You do, however, have IXL lessons and a problem of the week this week. So please make sure that you're working on that throughout the week. You can save it and do it Friday, or you can work on it throughout the week and take Friday off. Totally up to you. But today, what we're going to be doing as we get into today's lesson is writing equivalent expressions using percents. So this is similar to what we've been working on a little bit, but what we're going to do is we're going to look at multiple ways of expressing or writing a problem such as this one today. It says the original price of a backpack is $40.90. Write two different expressions to represent its sales price. Now, when I look at this problem, I would probably draw a picture first to sort of, again, wrap our minds around, the problem. So what I might do is I might draw myself a nice bar and kind of make a bar graph, okay? Well, not a bar graph, but a bar model. And so this would be the 30% or the sales price, okay? And this would equal the 70% of what you're actually going to be paying. So it says write two expressions to represent this. So if this is 30% off, how would you represent this sales price of $40.90? Well, if I look at this, I can break it up. The whole thing was originally $40.90. So all of it, 100% of it, was $40.90. So the question is, what is the sales price? Okay, so if we're taking this percent off, 30% off, what would the 70% be? Now, one way that you can do this quite easily would be to turn 70% into a decimal. So 70% as a decimal, excuse me, again, would be out of 100. Percents are out of 100. So 70% of that would be 0.70. Okay, 70 hundredths. Okay, so what we could do, one way to solve this would be to multiply 70 hundredths times our original price, and that would get us our sales price. Okay, so what we could do is we could take 0.70 and we can multiply it by $40.90. And that is one way that we can solve this problem. Okay, so this is way number one. Another way that we could do it is solve for this 30% here and then subtract it from our original price. Okay, so two ways to attack this problem. A second way is to take the 30% and we can multiply that by our original price, which would be $40.90. Now, we have to be careful when we do this because this gives us the amount of money that would be taken off, okay, the sale. It's not going to give us the sales price. It'd be the amount of money that you don't have to pay. So we would take this amount and we would subtract it from our original, okay? So this is going to give us the sales price. So really the expression would be $40.90 minus, when you multiply 0.30 or 30 hundredths, we would read that, times $40.90, okay? So we need to be really careful and understand when we multiply with percents what that is truly giving us. So this would not give us the answer, but this would give us the amount of the sale. 70% or 70 hundredths times the original amount, that would give us the sales price. So this would be one way to solve it. And then another way is we could take the original price, $40.90, and subtract the sale, and that would give us the answer. Now, what I'd like you to do is I would like you to work on this very problem as the example. I would like you to read how they explain it and break it down in the book. And then I'd like you to solve the next page of your independent practice book. Remember, I am here to answer any questions that you may have. So if you have questions, log on to office hours every morning from 9 to 10 a.m. Or you can email me throughout the day and I'll expect a prompt reply back to you to answer your questions. Work hard, ask questions. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Thank you.